There's the birthday boy. Happy birthday, bud. Happy birthday, bud. You ready to eat some cake? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's a really exciting day. Today we are celebrating Oakley's first birthday. It's not actually his birthday. Today is, I think it's the 12th. His birthday is not until the 17th, but today was just the best day to celebrate it. So we're celebrating his birthday today. We're keeping it super simple. Just having a few of our really good friends over, having pizza and ice cream and cupcakes. I have made Oakley's smash cake, just keeping it really simple, but I wanted to do that, so I'm gonna go inside and frost it and get that ready. But like I said, we're keeping everything super simple just so we can enjoy the moment and enjoy the day celebrating little sweet Oakley man. I cannot believe he's turning 1. This has been the fastest year of my entire life, but it's been a good one, like a really good one. Oakley is the sweetest little boy. He's happy. He smiles all the time. He's easygoing. He's easy just in general. He's not sleeping through the night, but that's probably the only trouble he gives us. He's just the sweetest thing. He adores his sister and he doesn't know a stranger. So we're very blessed to have him. We love him. I love being his mama. Him and I have a very special bond. They say that there's just nothing like the connection between a mother and a son, and that's so true. It's different than a mother-daughter connection. He's just my boy and I love him. So it's exciting to celebrate him today. I'm gonna go inside, finish decorating his cake, finish setting up the decorations. People should start arriving soon, and we're just gonna celebrate this little boy. What are you doing? Where'd you get that cup? What are you doing, bud? Hey. 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 Can you see yourself? Hi. Hi. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. You big boy. You're so handsome. So I keep having to come outside because the guys are inside watching a football game and they're being a little bit loud. But I wanted to show you guys, my mom pulled these out, and these are me as a baby, and I'm surprised at how much this looks like Oakley. I thought Oakley looked 100% like Andrew, but I think Oakley has my nose. Definitely the big eyeballs. I'll show you guys a comparison of Oakley in this picture, but it's kind of crazy. And then Oakley makes this face too. Crazy. So this was what I looked like as a little baby. I had cut my own bangs. My mom said that I had gotten into her sewing kit, which sounds very dangerous, and pulled out the scissors, cut my own bangs, and when she saw what I had done, she cried, and I don't blame her. But I was the second child, so she was a little bit busy trying to keep track of me and my brother. You can have that, Emmy.
Take that, okay?
Take a bite.
Is that good? I think you like it.
What do you think? So it is about 8 o'clock. We came home from the party and I put Oakley to bed. He was so tired. He had a very full, good birthday, I think. Not that he really knew what was going on, but it was a great day. We had so much fun with our friends and with our family. It was like the simplest birthday party, but it was really fun. So I am really happy with how the day went. Oakley killed that cake, which is totally different than Emerson. Emmy, on her first birthday, her first birthday was before I was really doing YouTube like I am now. So I don't have a vlog from her birthday, unfortunately. But her birthday, it was my first baby, my first child's first birthday, and I went crazy with her decorations, and I wanted it to be so perfect. And we'd like taken pictures, and it was just a very she was very overstimulated. So by the time we got to the cake, we were all like gathered around her and we're singing happy birthday. Well, she starts crying. That didn't go well. Her first birthday did not go the greatest. So it was really fun to see that Oakley enjoyed his smash cake. We kept his party simpler with less people, and the boy did a number on that cake, which is so fun to see. So anyways, I'm glad that I could share his first birthday party with you. Thank you guys for watching and for being a part of this channel, for being here, just watching my kids grow up. I love documenting it, and I love doing this with you guys. A lot of you guys started following me when I had Oakley, or right before, or like right around that time. So you guys have been around, a lot of you guys have been around for all of Oakley's life. So isn't it exciting to see him turn one together? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, then go ahead and do so. That way you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. You can follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.